Today's daily byte is intersection of numbers. This question is asked by Google. Given two integer arrays, return their intersection. Intersection is the set of elements that are common to both arrays. We're given two lists like 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. The intersection is a set of 2, 4. Here we see that the intersection is only going to be 3, and here there'll be nothing. So basically, if there's an intersection, both numbers need to be in both lists. Now, the cheeky answer would probably to be just, why don't we use Python's intersection method? We could do that. Let's start off by seeing how we would do that. We would pass in nums1 and nums2, and we would use the intersection method from the set. We'd say get this set and use the intersection of nums2 and just return that. And this would work. It doesn't matter which way we do it, because for the intersection, the number has to be in both lists. So if we did that, let's see how that would look. Two, 4, 3, empty, right? So 2, 4, 3, empty. So that does work, but let's just say this isn't really acceptable. So we could use instead create two sets, and then return the AND operator between them. That actually does the same thing. How would that work? It's like, yep, 2, 4, 3, 0. So that works too, using this AND operator. But this might be considered cheating as well. Okay, well, what if we just brute force it? Yeah, I mean, we could do that. Let's just say we will say, maybe we'll create a set here and we'll say for I in nums2, we'll say if I in nums1, put that out here with an I, make this a list comprehension, oops, and make it a set, because we don't want repeats. So this would work as well. Basically does the same thing, but this would be more like straightforward. So there we go. Thanks for watching my channel, and remember, do not trust me, I know nothing.